Starting up a new business? Or are you looking to set up a website for your business? This is the right video to watch before you get things started. Let's start up the smart way. But why a website? How can a website aid my business? To simply lay it out, you can promote your business to a greater audience. A website is like opening a new storefront. Allow your customer to interact and be with your business, to enhance the customer experience and loyalty. Reduce costs for many things, for an example, mass marketing. Because no one sees them anymore. It's a new world. Explore new opportunities and grow your business beyond the four walls. Streamline workflow, like allowing your customers order online, your employees will just have to pack the stuff and send. Think about marketing, you want to attract new customers, and you also want to re-engage with your existing customers. Maybe, one of your customers wants to recommend you to a friend, and the easiest way to give them a complete picture is by telling them, hey, check out their website. Because the website contains all the details, their friend can simply learn about the business by visiting your website. The website gives the means to contact you. Research have found that 63% of the daily customers first have found the item they needed to purchase online prior to coming to your store. You not having a proper website means that you are losing that many customers. Since the COVID-19 pandemic started, online sales compared to direct sales have almost doubled around the world. Setting up a website should have been done yesterday. Yet, you need to relax and plan ahead, before a rushed website could ruin your brand image.
He who fails to plan is planning to fail.
Get your team involved because they often understand what could be improved upon. Marketing might remind you that you need to gather customer emails to stay connected. IT will remind you about getting personal emails for your team. And managers will be able to discuss a plan on implementing. Your accountant will remind you about your budget. Even if you are a startup or a small business, it's great if you could get someone close to you to discuss and help you out. There are so many things you might not see about your business. So it's always good to have another perspective when you make plans. More the merrier. Now that you have gotten everyone on board and set milestones for your website project, it's time to tune up the goals. A good method to follow is the SMART model. SMART stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. This will help you set website objectives in a way that focuses on achieving results, and to ensure it's attainable. Let's understand the concept with examples. Let's think of a marketing goal. First thing first, we need a specific target. Let's say increase qualified leads. It is a target, but it won't be specific. So let's say we need to increase the number of monthly qualified leads by 20%. Now you and your team know what your target is. They can move on to achieving it. Next, we need to make clear how we are planning to measure the target completion. In this case, we could measure the volume prior to setting up the website and track the increase of monthly volume of leads. Before presenting the marketing goals to the marketing team, the next two steps are particularly important. Is it attainable? Because if your goal is set too high or too low, it becomes meaningless. In this case, yes, we do believe it's attainable because driving the right high-value customers targeting through website high-converting call to actions and SEO can make this happen. Next, why is this goal important for your business? Will it help reach your company's vision and mission? Does it match other stakeholders' needs? Yes, it is relevant, because the 20% increase of website leads can be aligned with the year's marketing goals. Lastly, setting a time frame for the goal. Is 6 months reasonable? A year? Establishing an endpoint gives you a clear target. The time frame must also be attainable and realistic. The 20% increase in website leads will start bringing results from website improvements and be realized in 6 months. Let's also make a SMART sales goal. We need to increase monthly sales by 20%. This is measurable. If we have set up Google Analytics, we can get insights of website visitors. Business Insights by Google can provide us details about how many have searched for directions and etc., and conversions can be monitored by the website itself, Facebook and whatever platforms you use. But is that attainable? I'd say it surely is, not just 20%. I'd say you could attain up to 64%. Making the shopping experience customer-centric. And cross-platform selling together with streamlining the customer journey can walk you towards this goal. Is this a relevant goal? Absolutely, this directly contributes to the company's sales objectives. This could be done within 8 months in an average. So we set the goal for 8 months. Now you get the idea, think about what else you should set goals towards. For an example, customer experience goals is vital if you plan to build up a brand. Think, in your customer's shoes. Great customer service and easy approachability can be delivered through support tickets in your website. You can take control of the entire customer journey. The website is one of the best ways to make a first impression. There are many other functions of your business you could set goals for. You could start cutting your time costs and money costs by integrating many features in the website, like inventory, to track your product counts and stock levels, delivery tracking to easily provide feedback on delivery to your customers, customer inquiry handling, and so on. Couple of other goals could be 1-hour delivery within 40 kilometers to the store. I would personally love if someone tries to achieve this. Customer service goal, such as 0% negative feedback from customers. Obviously, achieving that is a bit harder. It requires a lot of employee training and optimizing your processes, but is well worth the effort. Building a website is a journey. A journey to greatness if you choose wisely, or a waste of time if you don't. That's why we started this series. In this video series, we will completely walk you through the journey of a website together with your business. Our primary business is website development. With the pandemic situation, we were approached by many small businesses without the knowledge of what they need. That is why we decided to do a series to educate small business owners what they need to look for when they develop a website for themselves. Subscribe and hit the notification button if you are interested in experiencing a real website development journey. Thank you for watching, and stay safe everyone.